Now we are going to discuss the objective of management of chapter 1. What is objective? Objective are the standards against which the actual performance is measured or assessed. And these objectives of management can be broadly classified into three categories. Number 1 is organizational or economic objective, social objectives, and personal objective. What is organizational or economic objective? Since management is responsible for setting and achieving the organizational objectives, and these objectives aims at prosperity and growth of the organization. Every organization aims to achieve three organizational objectives. These are: number 1, survival. This is the most important objective of an organization, is to survive and exist in the long term in the competitive market, and it is only possible when it is able to earn enough or sufficient revenue to cover its cost. Second is profit. It is the reward against taking risk, and it is the reason behind carrying out a business. Third is growth. It is an extension of the objective of survival and profit. If a business is able to diversify its product and market segment, it can ensure a long-term survival and profit for the organization. Second objective is social objective. As we know, an organization is a social unit, and their objective should be in line with the general rules and needs of the society. Few social objectives are supplying quality products at reasonable price, giving employment opportunity to the weaker section of the society, financial support to the community, conservation of environment and natural resources, avoidance of unfair trade practices, and conducting business in a lawful manner, and actively participating in social service projects of the government. Next objective is personal objective or individual objectives. These objectives are related to the employees of an organization. As we know, employees are one of the most valuable resources of an organization, so their satisfaction is most important. Moreover, they join the organization to satisfy their diverse needs. Individual objective aims at providing competitive salary to the workers, that is fulfilling their financial needs, good and healthy work environment, policies for personal growth and development, and peer and societal recognition. The next topics of discussion is importance of management. As we know, mismanagement leads to failure of an organization. The importance of management is derived from the key function it performs. These are: it helps in achieving group goals. Management helps in achieving the goals of an organization by assembling and organizing the necessary resources and building the proper organizational structure. Number 2, increase efficiency. Since all the resources like man, material, machines and capital are limited, scarce, and non-extendable. So management aims at proper or optimum utilization of these scarce resources to achieve the organizational goals. Third one is achieving personal objectives. Achieving personal objectives. Since human resources is one of the most important factors of production and no organization can function without it. Management helps to retain, develop, grow and motivate the workers not only to help them attain their personal goals but also contribute in a significant manner towards organizational objectives. The next point is development of the society. Management achieves its goal by serving the public at large. It develops it helps the development of society by providing quality products to the consumer at reasonable price, creating employment opportunities, development of infrastructure facilities, and adoption of new technologies for the betterment of the people. And the last one is creates a dynamic organization. Since all business organizations operate in a dynamic environment and management process anticipate the future and make adjustments accordingly. It helps the people working in an organization to overcome their resistance to change and adapt as per the new circumstances and thereby ensure its own survival and growth.